Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps right away. Install the Kaggle Python package inside your notebook environment or virtualenv. This gives you the Kaggle CLI. Once installed, upload your Kaggle JSON credentials file into the notebook file system and set its permissions so the API accepts it. Make sure to test connectivity with a simple command like listing your datasets. If that succeeds, you have authentication working and can proceed to download and manage files. Once done with authentication, you move into the core workflow of fetching and organizing data. Use the Kaggle datasets download command with the owner and dataset slug, and prefer unzip to extract in one step when space allows. In notebooks, you can also call the CLI via or run it through subprocess. This keeps kernels tidy. For larger archives, stream or chunk data into pandas using Python utilities, and then confirm file names and paths so your subsequent analysis cells reference them correctly. To finish, load the downloaded files into your analysis cells and run quick sanity checks like head, info, and value counts so you understand the data shape. If you plan to share results, use Kaggle kernels push or create a dataset from your outputs. This keeps reproducibility intact. If something goes wrong, you should immediately verify that Kaggle JSON exists in the expected location, that file permissions are correct, and that no firewall or proxy blocks the CLI. Restarting the kernel after fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.